Hello friends, welcome back to the new video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to pair Wi-Fi network in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to pair Wi-Fi network, you want to use Wi-Fi network settings. So how to use Wi-Fi network setting one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi, how to use Wi-Fi setting. Open your phone device setting. After on phone setting friends, open your device Wi-Fi setting, and Wi-Fi setting is off. So friends, first of all on Wi-Fi. So friends, we will on Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. So friends, in your Infinix mobile, select your Wi-Fi network, which network you have you want to connect. First of all, refresh Wi-Fi setting. After refresh, select your network. So friends, I have Mukesh Wi-Fi network. I will enter password, then we will pair this Wi-Fi network. After enter password, you want to check your Wi-Fi password, you can check password, and you want to copy your Wi-Fi password, you can copy your Wi-Fi password will copy. Then click here connect option. Wi-Fi network will connect and you can use it. So friends, example, we will on Google app. So after connect Wi-Fi friends, you want to use Wi-Fi setting, you can use, and you can use YouTube app, Google app, Instagram, WhatsApp, like that app friends, you can use it. And friends, you want to disconnect Wi-Fi network, you can disconnect Wi-Fi network. Click here, Wi-Fi network will disconnect. After disconnect this network friends, you cannot use this network in your device. And friends, you want to connect again, click here, Wi-Fi network will connect. And friends, you can check here saved network. You want to share Wi-Fi mobile to mobile, you can share Wi-Fi network mobile to mobile. And friends, if you click here forget option, so Wi-Fi network will forget, and save network will also remove from your device, and you cannot check your mobile saved network, and you cannot use again Wi-Fi. You want to use again enter password, then you can use it. And if you click here, so friends, you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting in Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. And friends, you want to check your Wi-Fi data uses, so you can check your Wi-Fi data uses, change date, you can change Wi-Fi data uses. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.